2009 Chevrolet Malibu 4-doors car. This vehicle features the following equipment: AT, 4-cylinder engine 2.4 L146, front-wheel drive, license plate bracket, front, audio system, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 playback, transmission, 6-speed automatic, grille, black with chrome surround, moldings, body color rocker with bright inserts, tire, compact spare, lighting, interior with front reading lights, seat, rear 60/40 split folding seat back, map pockets, driver and front passenger. Seat backs, front wheel drive, battery, maintenance free with rundown protection, engine, EcoTec 2.4 LDOHC, 16-valve, 4-cylinder variable valve timing MFI 169 HP 126.0 kW 6400 RPM, 160 lb-ft torque 216.0 Nm 4500 RPM.